Cancer. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is your reading for the month. This is your love reading for the month of July. Kamusta mga Cancerians? Kamusta ang puso? Okay? Toxic relationship. Right now, may conflict sa relationship and you're like in a crossroad. Kung magbibigay ka pa, kung magpapatuloy ka pa, o ilalaban mo, no? You feel very uncertain about this connection. And I feel kaya ganon because hindi ka rin nabibigyan ng assurance ng person mo. This is the Cancerian card, Gemini, and Taurus energy. Right now, this soulmate connection feels stuck. Hindi ma-move forward ang connection na to. Pero parang bakit nakikita mo pa rin ang sarili mo long term with this person? Kahit hindi ka mabigyan ng assurance ng person mo, still, siya pa rin yung nakikita mo, nakasama mo sa future. The masculine here, nasa same old cycle, nandun pa rin naman siya, na parang, alam mo yung story ng yung carrot and the donkey, na parang maraming promises, tapos hindi nagagawa, tapos susuyuin ka ulit, bibigyan ka uli ng promise para nandyan ka lang, but then hindi naman talaga na i-deliver yung mga bagay na napag-usapan, okay? And because of that, you feel like parang unreciprocated yung mga kaya mong ibigay na pagmamahal, do siya pa rin yung nakikita mong wish fulfillment, pero tinatanggal mo na yung sarili mo, no, dun sa mga overthinking. I feel this involves a third party situation, kaya hindi makapag-offer or hindi makapag-commit, no, ng buo yung person mo. Nagkaroon ng disagreements because of that. So, because of that situation, you feel na parang nagkamali ka ba? Kino-question mo yung sarili mo. Nagkamali ka ba sa pagpili at pagbibigay ng another chance sa person mo? Do sabi mo right now, gusto mo nang iplano na maayos ang buhay mo at unahin yung healing at personal development mo. I feel may dalawang involved here, no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng miscommunication or block communication. But still, very hopeful ka na someday magkaroon ng magandang result itong passionate connection na to na nagdadala sa'yo ng parang backbreaking energy right now. Sobrang overthinking. Okay? Let's see. Goodness, Cancerians. I'm Cancer ascendant. Let's see kung anong meron. In the past, nagkaroon ng like taking a leap of faith, probably naging mabilis yung connection na to, or binigyan mo siya ng another chance. Okay, yeah, binigyan mo ng another chance. This is like a past life connection or nagkaroon ng balikan. At it's like, pinlano nyo yung plan nyo together, but then kung ano man yung mga nangyari, from the moment na masaya hanggang yung moment ngayon, nagkaroon ng, I feel may mga nangyaring hindi tama, hindi maganda, hindi align sa plano, kaya nagkaroon ng tower moment, breakup, or separation. Right now, nagfo-focus ka na lang na sa mga bagay na magdadala sa'yo ng financial stability or something na may assurance, pinagdadasal mo na kung may darating na bago, someone naman na, you know, sigurado at kaya kang ipaglaban. Right now, hanggang ngayon, sobra-sobra mo pa rin dinaramdam yung breakup na to, itong nangyaring separation. Yung person mo right now, Cancerian, is hindi rin naman siya handang ipaglaban ka. Hindi rin siya, probably in terms of communication, wala rin siyang magandang explanation sa'yo right now or good news, okay? May pagka-selfish yung energy, kaya rin siguro siya hindi nagbibigay ng offer right now kasi wala naman talaga siyang kaya pa in terms of, you know, material offer and love. Hindi ready yung person mo, okay? So, meron ka mga prayers and manifestations na sana lahat ng mga painful situation ay matapos na. And in the next 3 months, I feel magkakaroon ulit ng honest communication. The masculine here would be more ready in the next 3 months to communicate. At this time around, in the next 3 months, magkakaroon ng mas maayos, no? Mas solid na decision yung masculine here. Whew! What is this? Magkakaroon siya ng solid decision na parang hindi niya priority for now, tong connection na to. Wala talaga siyang kayang i-offer I feel baka meron pa siyang situation na tinatapos. Kasi may third party situation eh. Wala siyang offer na something material, something stable, no? Para makabuild kayo ng stable life together. Hindi rin niya masuklian yung pagmamahal mo. At even the passionate connection, parang wala siyang ipangako. So your person is withdrawing right now until the next 3 months, okay? And that would be, whew, okay, if you're manifesting love, nire-recommend ko sa'yo yung rose quartz to attract love and harmonious relationship. Kahit you're attracting a new love, no, para dumating na rin yung tamang tao para sa'yo. If you're attracting wealth, I recommend you the citrine bracelet, and to balance your emotions and protect yourself from, lalo na to, may mga third party situation. Normally, pag ganito, may mga nag-evil eye, okay? To protect your emotions and to protect yourself from negative energies, the black tourmaline. PM nyo lang ako kung paano kayo magkaroon nito, and PM me for your personal reading. Hindi masyado maganda ang basa ko sa'yo, Cancerian. So, let's see. Bakit ganun? Ang sad naman. I'm Cancer ascendant, by the way. Okay. Anong iniisip ng person ng Cancerians right now? Anong iniisip nila? Sabi ng person ng Cancerians, I wish I could share my good news with you. You and I were too young. Probably emotionally not that prepared. Kumbaga, parang wrong time. I knew exactly I was doing. So, alam niya na in-involve ka niya sa third-party situation. I know I was a distraction from your pain. Alam din niya na may mga past wounds ka na parang you need him, and parang ginamit din niya yung opportunity na yun para mapalapit sa'yo. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I look for you everywhere. Na parang, you know, minsan siguro, yung mga favorite place nyo, tumachamba siya kung magkikita kayo, or minsan hindi naman niya sinasadya, but some memories talaga natitrigger yung like naaalala ka niya, nakikita ka niya, no? So, I feel divinely orchestrated naman kung ano yung mga nangyari. Probably, both of you need time to heal and think of, ayusin muna yung sitwasyon. And kung may effort naman na ayusin, then tsaka kayo mag-decide to get back together. But right now, I feel Cancerian yung person mo is still dealing with a past connection or a third party. And wala tayong control dyan. Decision na yan. So, hindi naman tayo pwedeng maghintay, no? Forever dito sa mga tao na to. Move forward, focus on your goals, and manifest love. Okay, if you're not really, if tight yung budget nyo, I have here like the manifestation oil. If you're manifesting abundance, I have here, if you're manifesting love, I have the magnetized oil. Irarab mo lang yan sa'yo. If may kausap ka, mga business deal, maganda to. Para mas magaan yung loob sa'yo ng kausap mo. Mas madaling mag-convince. I also have here the cure. If may mga sakit, ipahid lang yan. Isama mo dun sa mga mentol, yung mga eucalyptus. Okay? And then, Ministry of Magic, I have here protection from evil eye. Pwede rin yan yung mga oil na yan kapag ipa-power up mo yung mga crystals natin. And I also have the prosperity oil. Ipahid mo sa wallet, sa laptop, kung naka-work from home ka, to attract wealth. This is like 888 PM nyo lang ako kung hindi pa kaya yung crystals. The manifestation oil is also good if you're manifesting love, abundance, protection, and healing. Alright? And that is your July reading. Hopefully, mas maganda yung bonus reading natin. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Cancerians!